you up. They're loading you up. You might have to check the approach. I'm not sure, but that's pretty good. Safety from Raider 1. Cool. Copy. I'm on Malice on Charlie. Copy. Airspace is 9. Safety, Raider 1. Eagle you up. Awesome. Raider 1, I'm going to switch to the discrete frequency. You can pass that 550 observer there. Spawning on the Air Boss's street. Raider 1 back with you. For my safety observers on the street frequency. EHF radio, I can set to 12315. Copy that. Yes, we can say it with San Patricio. Seconds call for push. Airshow to screen.
Copy.
We're doing everything on box frequency.
Say again your last jiggle.
Everything on box frequency.
Read on the Com Bravo.
Just whenever you get over here on box frequency, we're going to do all the coordination on there and nobody else is on frequency.
And Raider 2, do you know what the tops are?
Terrible. You're checking in, holding north at 1, 2. 490, boards out. Check out here. You got me there. I got you down, sorry. Are you pretty heavy on gas?
Yeah, I'm at 7.7.
Okay, yeah, if you can circle, let's do it.
Yeah, I'm at circle, so I have the whole runway to myself. Check your lights on before we go into this stuff.
Lights on.
Cross it over to your right wing. You want to turn like your form lights on too, just in case it gets thick. I don't think it's going to be bad, but just in case, might as well.
Yep.
Correct.
250.
Right. What'd you feel?
Oh, sorry, it's overshot. Dude, that running line was actually pretty difficult. It was all crooked. That's weird. I had 5133.
Dude, I've seen this once or twice before where, like, it's so weird.
Would you mind grabbing that?
Dude, I can't. I'm stuck in Lao.
Yeah, I got you.
Tell him you got it. This guy can't be too far off than what we had when we left. This shit's pretty thick. What altimeter you got set?
2973. Dude, the show site was pretty good.
What's that?
Show site had a little bit more room for me to maneuver.
Yeah, that was a nice little pocket, huh?
Yeah, I still kept it pretty low. I didn't do anything too high.
The ground sometimes.
I know, it's ridiculous. I definitely cheated down a little bit just to call myself VFR, and then it was all the way in.
Yeah, me too. I was like, well, Jiggle must have done the same thing, and I was like, at 1400, I was like, yeah, good enough.
Hey, there's times when you just gotta be a man, okay?
Yeah, dude.
Well, this is heading, you give me shit. Alright, rolling out 210. Raider gear, now.
It'd be like 165 knots or something.
Coming right to intercept. Yeah, I'll keep it a little bit fast until we break up.
Copy, I got three greens.
3 greens.
Oh, you got sick vapes, dude. Getting vapes inside of a cloud. You know, do they brief you on the parking and how we're going to pull into the hangar a little bit?
Yeah, he told me.
Alright, cool.
Pulled 6.9 Gs, nice.
There you go. I got 6.
I almost ripped it at one point. I was like, oops, don't do that.
I don't know where Airboss, did you hear him at all on that frequency we were on?
I got field of sight. I didn't hear him putting that on, but the Airboss, he gave putting his radio.
Oh, okay. We didn't get our outstanding job.
Yeah, I know. Alright, I'm slowing on speed.
Yeah, I'm detached. I'm making a right-hand turn.